Your Kindle could be a ticking time bomb. It's not just smartphones or laptops that pose risks. The hidden dangers in our portable tech are often ignored, leading to serious consequences. Picture this: you're lost in a captivating story, and suddenly your Kindle heats up. That warmth isn't harmless, it's a warning sign. Most people dismiss it, but that's where the real danger begins. Every day, we rely on these devices without a second thought, yet many don't realize that lithium-ion batteries can be perilous. It's not just about how we charge them, it's also about how we handle them. Imagine tossing your Kindle into your bag with your keys and loose change. You think it's safe. It seems minor, right? But that small mistake could trigger a dangerous reaction. Have you noticed that some devices charge faster than others? That's not just convenient, it can signal a bigger issue. Fast charging generates heat, which is a red flag. Yet, we often ignore it, assuming it's just part of modern tech. When was the last time you checked your device for swelling or unusual smells? These are serious warning signs that should never be overlooked. Imagine the risks lurking behind that seemingly harmless screen. Now let's raise the stakes. You're scrolling through your Kindle and it suddenly shuts off. Is it just a glitch, or could it be something more serious? It might be the battery failing, and what happens next could be unpredictable. But here's the crucial point: you can reduce these risks. Treat your devices with care. Avoid leaving them in hot places, and always monitor their condition. Small changes can significantly enhance battery safety. Reflect on how you interact with technology. We often overlook dangers in our quest for convenience. A little awareness can go a long way. So the next time you pick up your device, ask yourself, am I really safe? Did you know that the device you rely on for reading could be hiding a serious secret? Your Kindle, tablet, or smartphone might be putting you at risk in ways you haven't considered. Picture this: you're cozy on your couch, engrossed in a gripping novel. Most people would shrug it off, but this could be an early warning sign of something more serious. Every day, millions of us use portable technology without a second thought. However, beneath the surface, there are hidden dangers related to battery safety that could turn your favorite gadget into a ticking time bomb. Feeling uneasy yet? You should be. Think back to the last time you left your Kindle charging overnight. Did you know that overcharging can actually harm the battery? It's not just about convenience, it can lead to disaster. Over time, yet, many of us ignore these subtle signs, thinking it could never happen to us. Let's make this relatable. Imagine you're traveling and your Kindle dies mid-flight. Frustrated, you plug it into an unfamiliar charger, opening the door to potential disaster. Poor quality chargers can damage your device's battery, leading to serious issues. You might think, this can't happen to me, but the truth is it can, and it does. Feeling a bit anxious? That's a reminder that ignoring these signs can have real consequences. But don't panic, let's talk about how to protect your gadgets. First, always check for swelling. If your device looks puffy, it's time to take action. Don't wait for it to burst into flames. And please invest in a quality charger, it's worth the peace of mind. As we wrap up, consider how many times you've overlooked those warning signs. In a world where technology is seamlessly woven into our lives, it's easy to forget the risks involved. Don't let your favorite device become a hidden danger. Stay aware, stay safe, and keep your tech, your lifeline, secure. If you found this information eye-opening, consider subscribing for more insights that could save your day. What if your Kindle could actually explode? It sounds far-fetched, right? But this is just a crazy story. It's a hidden risk many of us overlook every day. You might think it's just a reading device. But let's pause and consider what powers that sleek gadget, a lithium battery. And here's the key point, Nit. All lithium batteries are created equal. Imagine this: you're cozied up on your couch, lost in your favorite book. Suddenly, you catch a whiff of something unusual. It's faint, but it's there. Could it be your Kindle? Most people would probably brush it off, but that's where the real danger starts. Many of us charge our devices overnight, blissfully unaware of the hidden risks involved. Have you ever left your Kindle on a pillow or your bed? That cozy spot might actually be one of the worst places for it. The fabric can trap heat, turning your e-reader into a ticking time bomb. And it doesn't stop there. What about accidents? A spill, a drop, or even an aging battery. Each of these scenarios carries more risk than you might think. Picture this: you're on a train, engrossed in a thrilling chapter. Suddenly, your Kindle slips from your hands and lands with a thud. Now it's rattling, and you can't help but wonder what's happening inside. The truth is, many people ignore the warning signs. A slight bulge in the battery or a longer charging time, this could be red flags. But who really pays attention to those until it's too late? We often overlook the obvious dangers right in front of us. You might feel safe, but do you really know what to watch for? The hidden risks of battery safety in portable tech can escalate quickly, and you might be just one careless moment away from a disaster. So what can you do? First, consider where you charge your Kindle. A hard surface is the safest option. And when was the last time you checked the battery health? This is just a tech issue, it's a safety concern that deserves your attention. As we wrap up, remember this: your Kindle is more than just a source of entertainment. It can pose real dangers if you're not careful. The next time you pick up your e-reader, take a moment to reflect. Stay alert and don't let the overlooked dangers of battery safety catch you off guard. If this resonates with you, share your own experiences in the comments.